how to disable Google Play Store auto updates on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable auto updates in Google Play Store so apps won't update automatically in the background. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Play Store on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you're inside the Play Store, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply tap on the option labeled as Network Preferences. And once you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Auto Update Apps and you will be prompted to the next page. Now here in this page, you'll see four options. From there, simply select Don't Auto Update Apps, and here, once you have done that, you have successfully disabled auto updates on your Play Store. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.